Okay, in the vein of documenting this thing step by step and the modification to the Magnepans, I just received the crossover upgrade from GR Research. Unboxing, if you will. And here's what you get for, I think, 325 bucks. God damn it. Okay. That to show. So there's your total amount shipped. Okay, awesome. All of this shit, shredded paper. And we got wires. Oh, the tube connectors. Okay. All right. Let's see how those fit. Not sure how that's supposed to fit inside the back panel, but well, whatever. We'll take a look. We got 14.95, 14.95 or 15. I guess that's, what is that? Sonic caps, Gen 1. More shit. And here's the part that I really wanted to see, which was these inductors. Sorry, I don't have a stand yet. I'll get one so I can do this a little bit more professional, but there we go. Okay, now I'm hoping that's the millihenries on the inductor, because I'm really curious to see what values he's using for these. I would assume that's the case. Okay, now these feel like big ones. Big boys. Yeah, these are big boys. Air core inductor, 4.7. Nice. And 4.7. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. All right. Well. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, that's just a inventory list, but that's the crossover network. That's what I was most interested in seeing. Nice. Okay, the rest of it is this hamster nest shit. But okay, so Sonic caps. Got it. Wire, got it. Probably pure copper. And these tube connectors, which I'm still curious how they're supposed to fit. Oh no, he's got, okay, I see. These are the end terminals you would put on your your speaker wires. They plug into it. Got it. Got it. Little heat shrink. Okay. So just to make sure everything is up to par, I have not touched these yet. I've still just been listening to them in incredible amazement. They sound absolutely impressive. There are some spots on here which is really difficult to see. There's one right there, a little nip. And then up in here, you can see that some of them are pulling off, but they're lacking the glue up there, which I bought some of that. Right now I have the tweeters set on the outside, mainly because I'm watching movies. When I get into, like, you know, critical music listening, I usually move the tweeters to the inside, but to each their own. Potato, right? This panel looks really good, actually, just by looking at it. I have not taken these socks off. I haven't even taken the staples out yet because I'm waiting to do this all on video. So there's no little tricks or anything like that. Just straightforward. I'm doing it as you see it. So, yeah, looking forward to taking these things apart. I got glue coming, the 3M 30NF, I believe is what it's called. That's in the mail. So once I get that in the next couple days, I think I'll have everything I need to start tearing these things apart. And at which point I will have some sort of, you know, camera stand or phone stand or whatever it is, so I can document this properly without so much of the jarring jiggle of me trying to hold this phone while working with one hand. But let's see what happens. What I'm thinking is I might just try removing that fuse, the terminal. The fuse in the terminal on the back of the speakers, and seeing how much difference that makes if just by removing all of that back there. Just around with the light. You know, the guy I got it from decided, oh, I'm gonna upgrade the crossover. Let's just cut it. Let's not bother with the staples below. Okay, well, that's fine. I got new socks in the mail as well with new styles. So, but yeah, this whole thing right here is these jumpers. I took out the metal and put just copper wire with jumpers. Getting rid of this whole jumper setup. And then obviously, before I change all this, I'm going to just do this part and just see how much improvement is just by removing that fuse and the jumpers, and then replacing the terminals. Let's see what that does first, and see if that makes a significant difference. And then we'll move into the crossover and see how much difference that makes. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do an A and B. It's kind of hard without having a stereo to do, like, say I do speaker 1, you know, upgraded crossover, speaker 2 with the original crossover. I think it would be kind of hard to tell. I could sum the left and right, so I'm getting the same sound left and right in this one and left and right in that one. I don't know. I don't know if that's really going to make too much of a significant difference. You know, the whole idea is about sound stage and presence. So kind of have to do both. Besides finding and buying another pair of 1.6 QRs and just doing a minor XO upgrade, or maybe even seeing if Magnepan wants to get on board and put together their own XO upgrade kit, which would be nice, because I think the biggest issue with their X upgrade would be packaging these things up and shipping them off to them. And not only are they just upgrading the crossover, to my understanding, but they're also, I believe, rewiring the panels. They're probably making some improvements, maybe stability, rigidity, whatever, to the panel. So that upgrade right there alone is night and day. So you're talking $2,000 plus shipping minimum to ship these back to Magnepan, have them do an X upgrade, or $355 for a crossover upgrade, and then just taking the socks off and maybe tightening up some of the wires if you don't have to rewire the whole thing, which is a pain in the butt. I've done that before. We'll see. I'm still not sure exactly how I'm going to approach this, but I do want to document everything. I know a million people has done their modifications to Magnepans and recorded it, but this is a fun hobby. I like it. Stay tuned.